So I officially know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's just solve one. Now we'll just solve this Rubik's Cube, and I'm not going to record this 1,000 times to make this transition perfect. So we have a scrambled Rubik's Cube. I don't know why I'm scrambling it a ball. So first we need to make a JC pattern, and I am now realizing it's way too dark, so I'm going to turn the lights on. So that's better. So first we need to make a JC pattern. So we need all the white corners to go here. Oh wait, and I have already messed up as I am doing it on the wrong side. Why am I only getting too big? Okay. So anyway, I have just recently learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube. The person whose tutorial I was following, he made a few mistakes, like saying hold it to the left and then holds it to the right, etc, etc. So I got confused there and it took longer to solve, blah blah blah. So as I was talking, okay, that's in the right spot. So as I was talking, I have just solved the white cross. And now we just need to make the first layer and get oh no, low battery. Anyway, we just need to get all the corners in their right spot. So I'm going to do this fast because I have low battery and my mobile is going to run out of battery. I'm just going to cut and I will be like solving the cube with all my commentary. Meanwhile the mobile's off. Meanwhile the mobile's switched off. So boom, all the first layer solved. And of course, I don't get the optimal situation over here. Why do I always get confused with this one? Anyway. No, I was going to say first layer solved, then realize that one corner is not. Okay, second layer solved. Now we just need to make a yellow cross over here. So that's simple enough. And yellow cross. How much percentage am I on? 19, okay. So I need to do a sudo ll over here. I don't know if sudo ll means the thing that I'm doing right now. I just say sudo ll because it makes me seem like a smart cuber man. So we just need to get all the yellow corners in their right spot. So yellow and green there, orange there. I don't know why it shows red when I do this. So we just need to get all of them in the right spot. That one is in the right spot, but all the others are not. So clearly algorithm 2 times. No, not 2 times actually. And we have got all the things in the correct spot. Now normal people would just do a upside down like the algorithm, but that's way too mind bending for me. So I just turned the cube upside down. This is the last step where I got confused, by the way. So I might accidentally unsolve my cube again. And let's see if that's the case. Looking at where the white spot is, that is probably the case. And no, we actually solved the cube. Wonderful. So that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube.